Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to record screen user account control page in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here at the button search bar, type for local policy. Once you have typed it, okay, you need to proceed with the local security policy and go with open to continue. Once you have clicked on it, you would be able to open the local security policy window, where here you need to proceed at the first row and look for a key named local policies. Now click on this forward arrow aligning to it and go with security options. And the moment you have selected the security option, proceed on this area, expand it to adjust the size and then scroll down and look for an option called, let me just go with it. Okay, so it is user account control, switch to the secure desktop to when prompting for elevation. So we need to disable such, okay? Again, look for a settings or a policy which is user account control, switch to the secure desktop when prompting for elevation. So please do a right click and go with properties. And once you have click on it, okay, again, do a right click, go with properties, and here under the local security setting, enable that. Okay. So in this manner, you would be able to stop your user account control to switch to the secure desktop when prompting for elevation. And we are going to enable the to record the screen control or the user account control page in our windows. So once you have enabled it, go with apply and then okay. Once you're done, close this window and check if you have successfully enabled the record for user account control page. So here at the bottom search bar, try to type for PowerShell. Once you have typed it, please proceed and run as administrator and account control would ask you to say yes. Okay, now we have just enabled to record this user account control page in our Windows. Okay, so that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.